To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Oh, I see you there.
You never know.
Babes, here's what going on. Right now, you have too much free time for your hand them.
For me hand them.
I'm not like that. Here's what going on. You never get one work.
Boy, you know, say me there pray and I sort out though.
Because me not understand how you cook up in your house or rent free. Me I fear God and I deal with everything.
So I'm told me did
Right
a
now-
parent. One before me lose my record, me did a parent.
No, hold on, we don't get to that point there. Right now, to how you live free, me feel like we carry one woman in the house when me gone out. How live off of me.
No,
My
sir.
hard working money.
No, sir,
So
not
me
like
want
that.
to know what going
But me
on.
never did a pray that. When me did a work my hard working money and I rent free too and you did a live free. Me never did a think you go bring one man come in your house too. So how you think that about me?
Babes, I want to know what go take place now.
All me have to do is just try to find back a next work.
See it, babes. No, you talk with sense. Me I talk to you and you tell me something different. Just tell me say you get one work. Or you go try, you go there go try.
I try man.
Nothing beat a try, you know. Make sure say you not no gun, you know.
Gun? Which one? What kind of gun?
Me not talk about the gunnery.
Oh,
So don't even think of going out there and carrying no gunnery come give me. Can not come shot me and make me sick. And you see the boy when you pop it on, when me see you par with, you need to stop from par with him. Because them the boy they not normal. And let me tell you something too. You see if they lock you up in a jail again, me not come no way. So you go name jail food and you go drink them taste bad water in there and then taste bad drinks in there because they no cook nothing right in there so. Because I come like so when you in there, I be sitting there you get before me get the little money if you come look after you. Come like say I be a rice porridge there and I'm in there. And me never cook rice porridge give you yet. And me always you juice them, I blend up juice me always give you. So I just want to make sure say. Me I beg you please make sure say you not have no gun again. Right. Stop par with the boy there.
Nah, me attack.
Because if they can't catch quack, them will catch you shot. And when they come and they say lay down on the bed, me don't know if I lay down, me I go lay down. Me don't know if I lay down, me I go lay down when they say lay down. So here we are going now. Babes, please just stop.
Alright then. Me attack for real.
Me not like how they are right there, son. You're too calm. Me not hear none of the ears. Say it not the ears.
Me not tell us alright then me go top par with puppy done.
Oh, me hear good now. Right. So what, me alright?
Yeah,
You're not hungry?
No, sir, I'm just there going easy, but anytime I'm hungry, I come over here and cook some food.
So I make a stand about that, so?
I mean, one of my friends, them, they are easy back, you know, and I'm gone to come back, so I'm there wait for him.
Oh. Alright then. Me I go up on the road. I go down to the supermarket because the Chinese man they call me so I have to come for pay.
Alright.
And at the time I'm a lock, so I have to hurry up and go. Here?
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Babes, here we are going. I don't want what we are do to stop. You see the relationship we have going, I love it. I'm not even that say like, I love it. I don't even that say I like you, know. I just fall in love with you. Cause a man when me leave a house, so I'm not even there for my man, you know.
But the thing is this, you have to understand, say, me never know she live a house with a man and thing. Cause really and truly, a stability me I looking. You understand? But you live a house, it kinda make things kinda complicated for me now. What if a man a gunman?
No, listen. Left off of that, man. But I can't talk about no gun right as so, babes. Listen. You see the man there, in there in the house and he live rent free. From the man losing work.
You know what?
The man no want go look no work at all. The man want live off of me. And me not have no feel live off of you, because me not have no weight. You know, say I be a bone this, so me don't know him I can live off of me for. Me no want no man can live off of me. Me not have nothing for give.
But
Me I work at the Chinese store. I want like $13,000 a week. That can't share for me and him.
but me
And me want things.
Yeah, but listen, yeah, you know me I get things. But at the end of the day, me not really trust certain vibes and you know, me happy with it, you know. But I truly never tell me from the start, say, you ain't have a man. Cause if you don't tell me that, you know, wanna run in a certain way, you know. You understand me? I say full force.
Yeah.
But alright, let's make it time right there, son.
Yeah, because too much of him now. And him come about. And him come to talk about. Me I talk about me and you. And that me I talk about right now.
No, we're good, man. We're good. Left for this, sir.
We're good.
Yeah, we're good, man.
Say alright.
Alright, man. You know, as I say, me I take it one day at a time. And thing. So just no as long as me no problem certain way, me no feel like say we're gonna reach certain places.
No, man,
But you plan to leave him though?
Yeah, me plan to leave him because him not going good right now, you know. Him not do right. He not even treat me good. So it don't make no sense me have him in my life. I hold long that a drain of energy that me can't take their lifestyle. Eh.
Alright, so here now. Fall back tomorrow because see time I run out on you, right? Because you don't work 2 hours by a day, about an hour now. And thing.
Alright, so later here?
You come on, honey. So better. Yeah? Those have slippers from this, so come in really want you.
Yeah.
Walk on the road with more than sitting in a house and a Chinaman shop you come from.
Yo! Oh, you there?
Yeah,
me something, you know. Me here, Wagwan, man. Me here.
Boy.
No, but I feel like, you know, me don't know.
I don't understand what.
The school girl, we are fishing around, Virgin.
Me have school? No, me not school. Me not. Yo, what you talk about school girl?
Yo, me here. From good years. So no go on like say, me not hear Wagwan.
Which girl you talk about?
No must the girl with name Amanda. Yeah, that same one there.
So she go to school?
So you never know.
Me never know that.
Our school has a bad picking. So all along you never know say school has that.
No, I don't know say school has, bro.
Our school has, you
The
know.
girl tell me say, well, me never really ask her age still.
You got wrong then. You got wrong. She has school has. That the girl ain't know much man in cake, so.
So hold on. So what they say about me? I didn't say nothing about me like that.
They say, they just want to catch you in the house to die. They just want to catch you in the house to die, that's what happen. I can't believe you, man.
Yo, so what you telling him about me? You tell him say me I'm involved or
no, me tell him that I can check and find out what go on first.
No, well, everything done. You don't have to worry about that. Me have got no everything. Listen to me.
You knocky?
No, you're mad knock what?
Oh, me think you get it.
No, I don't get nothing because I just reason and you know, like in
you sure?
listen to me, man. She
A
crazy.
girl will love him belly, you know.
Yeah, some is I was a girl extra lunch money and that's it. Can man tell me about his sister them and rate it.
Okay, so you don't know what that school girl like giving lunch money.
No,
Yes.
because he say man go to some nursing school. Just he want to follow his
Nursing
sister.
backside in dance like a bat. She done all thing right is man. She done. You know what? One time she tried that half of me. She tried that stunt half of me. Something buy him ice cream and then give me peace. So me say peace or what? Me see my pint down the piece and coach him say, girl, go wash your front. Go wash your front, you're bright.
Okay. I'm glad you tell me still.
Next time know yourself because prison no nice.
Listen, me never know.
Me and two of my brethren down in prison right now.
Me not going to prison.
A ball like a baby if you come out.
Yo, easy. Listen to me. You don't have to say one more word.
If me alien call back for
No, you can't.
a woman there come to.
What if you do that? Listen to me.
Me I go be an informer. And your woman me I come to come. And an informer that at the right.
So you never hear something a woman left?
She left you?
Yeah, no, then she left.
Jesus!
Yeah.
I wish woman could have left in a different time, winter time, cold time.
Rough.
Where you could have in a bed right now and warm up.
No, she hears some always don't like go club, so you know things can never really work out certain way.
So it's true you don't like go club make sure
Yeah,
you no, the woman are idiot. The woman are idiot.
Yes. So I just
Because every man have to go club.
Go cool out.
And hold a drink.
I said me a friend. Yes, I mean I
No
said.
woman are idiot with you. I really idiot.
Alright, so what so me go do now is me I'll clear up my name. Respect and thank, alright me that me know.
Yeah.
So
Yes, you're lucky though.
no Naki. So the money where you offer me, you give me no or no. Remember say you owe me, you know. Me think I money you come pay me now.
Before you say, boy, my friend, take it cause you saved my life.
No, me can't say take it.
You want me shout out the road and say, see man that man there?
Alright, give me 5,000 out right then. But when you can't give me 5,000 tonight?
I have to walk with my pants in there. Because you feel me, woman in the yard. Thief! Thief. She thief, man. She thief, but.
Why me can't say girl like that? You never know. I must put people in a problem. That means you can't give me everything then, man.
No, I can't give everything. I just a look.
Out of 25,000 or 5,000 you give me out of my money. Just because yeah. Why rough? But everything good still. Yeah man, respect. Just leave it there, sir. Here. Just leave it there, sir.
Yeah, man, I see me can't give more, but.
No man, everything.
Alright, hold on. 25,000.
Yeah, give me everything, man. Okay, you know that thing's hard.
15,000 out of 20 me give.
Yeah, thanks.
So.
As me a friend for life, you know. Respect our manners, you know.
So
I
like,
just say thank you for telling me, because I never know. Brother, I swear I never know.
So
Never
like,
with it.
so like how you and your woman left, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can't tell her something?
Yeah.
You know what I used to knock you?
I know say I dirty girl, you know, but everything good. Brother, how you do that to me though?
No.
He said that we are friend or we not friend, you know?
No, she.
Yo, yeah, hear me, yo, brother. Yo. Where's the...
Girl, I can't believe she yesterday talked to the little dirty boy from Jamaican.
No, girl, no sex some man.
What you mean by?
Stop. What you mean by dirty boy? A good youth.
Who a good youth?
Him silent and him quiet, him like a roll.
You ever see money in front of people?
What have money in front of people?
You don't see him go on like him hype or anything else on this earth.
No, him not hype, I just saw him stay. You have to understand him. And for him personality that. Actually, you don't get to know him.
Well, just try to be careful, because any of you will be big sister, no. A problem.
Don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm my man that I'm not left him. Me? I'm not left him.
Why you not leave him?
I'm a best friend. I'm a man in a one. Best friend, I'm a man in a one.
Out of everybody, you have to take up the dirty foot boy.
Stop class him as a dirty foot boy.
I don't think she'll listen to me right now. She'll pay attention to her work. You see, I don't know if it's a tear now. But who can hear, I go feel.
Where that's supposed to mean? Me not breathe out of school.
Me never say I go breathe out of
But
school.
I saw you make it so.
But I don't breathe, you have to breathe. You can't drop out.
Drop out.
Yeah.
So why me go just drop out of school?
Cause your head stuck on the dirty foot, boy.
Well,
Today I wish day.
what's it Saturday? I don't
See
know.
the same thing.
Then today I win.
Your head stuck on the dirty foot, boy. Today I'm Monday, school just not keep today.
I lie. Today Monday.
Why?
Me think today is Saturday.
You feel done, but not so.
You not fair deal with me, so. You
If
think
me ask you where the man name, you can tell me do.
Of course, we know where name. I'm a man, so me go know where name.
Me not pay no man, you know. As me say, who can't hear must feel. You see when I feel, don't come tell me nothing.
Talk so loud. Talk.
Me can't whisper, you know me mouth big and broad.
Boy, good morning.
Morning.
No school not here today. What going on, sir?
Sis, you remember today our?
Today, what?
Today a big public holiday.
Oh,
I cheer work every day.
you're right. Alright. Like today a holiday, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say chores in our house to do, don't? A bed for spread, the bathroom for wash, and a chicken back in our freezer. So Amanda,
again.
Every day a chicken back.
are you?
Start look like.
Listen, you work?
But yeah, work.
You have money?
You have it.
Okay. So anything me provide, you eat it. You understand? Alright, me a go work. Make sure son take out it, and Amanda you cook. Cause you don't know if you cook. You go burn up your rice later.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Me not afraid no bed. If me a cook, me not afraid no bed.
Yeah, why pray? Why pray? Me I talk to you and you walk past me like you know see me. Why problem?
Me not like that, you know.
What you
Me
mean
not
I like that?
Oh, me a walk past. Don't touch me.
But me say why pray tap and answer and hear me. I say me never
As
want
what?
me never want deal with the situation so aggressive in but you send me talk to you just stop. But hear me I say now. You know say we control the community and thing and we protect everybody around here, we deal with everybody good. So I expect people to deal with we good. But it's a small favor me I beg for you still. You see me cause you know youth they hungry in our community and nothing not really go on.
Pause.
I don't show this, so you talk about pause.
Yeah, tell me say youths them hungry. That's not my business. Me a two little sister when me have to take care of. Hello, we can't take up nobody else for my budget.
I did ask you that. You know how we take this to another level.
Afraid? I'm afraid of you.
Listen how me I say. As me tell you say,
Look for me. You see me how?
listen how me I say. I never want to take this to the other level. I just want 2 grand, I just that I want. Because I come to you nice and I tell you say youths they hungry. What?
I don't have it.
Alright, give me this then. You see, whenever you have manners, you can get it back. Because a while ago, I tell you to give me 2 grand.
But me not have it. Me not have it.
I come to you calmly and like you push badness. You run around there?
No.
So you move like you done.
Sorry.
Yo, whenever you can bring the money, come and get this. Because I tell you some deal with you nice and you pass your place. And I don't do that again, man.
But me have important stuff.
Let's go through. And if it's because of that too, just bring 5 grand. You know which part to find me.
Sister, you come back. We finish everything we have to do. Sis, we finish everything we have to do. How are you? Why you not talk? Why your face look so?
My good. Where your sister then?
We just drop asleep a while ago. Me do something, why your face look like that?
No, Amanda, you don't do nothing.
Oh, me think of something
It's
you do.
just that. You see, this a community, yeah? A full time for move out of it now. I know you go messy and everything, but me can't stay in our community where you are trying to build up yourself and other people are trying to bring you down. Nothing can go so in a life.
What you mean?
You're not gonna understand. Leave that for another day. Me go in. Me tired.
You food in my pot.
No, I no food.
What you mean you don't want no food?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
Who this?
America. The nurse
Martha?
girl. Yeah.
What is your phone number? This? How much phone you have?
No, I want phone me have.
Oh, okay. So go on. I'm so surprised to hear a voice like yours talking to me in the middle of the day. Oh my God. Oh.
If you know what happened to me, like, when me I come from work, one boy in the street with them called Puppy Dan. You hear me?
What? Yeah, of course. What do you mean? What happened to you? You sound down.
He did ask me for money, but me never have no money for give him. And then he drag gun for me and take my phone.
Oh my God. So hold on. You're sure so you have him in a business like, cause that sound like a play with you. I must play with you.
No, I must say youths them hungry and something and me tell him say me can't feed the youths them cause me have two sisters to take care of. So I want $2,000 from me. Me tell him say me don't have it. And he drawing gun for me and take my phone.
Oh man, I must want tiger on your man. You know, say them youth them just street youth and so forth. That just try to scare you and so forth. I think say how you make it seem.
I don't feel so it's serious.
But tell me something now. You call me now and because you're in a situation, but I don't know if you actually consider me as one of the persons that can actually have a date with you and all this something. I don't know if you know, like, because you don't have a phone now, you want a phone now, not sure?
Yeah, me need one phone.
So we can work out something then, and or we can even go, alright. What we go do is maybe Papa then a joke with you. You know what I mean? So we go check him and see if we can actually get back a phone.
No, me no want no problem how you fi do that.
No man, you don't have a problem, man. Trust me, man. I mean you mean no. You understand? Yeah, so no worry yourself. Yeah. I'm glad to call me because I'm glad to trust me so you deal with the situation for you. Alright?
Yeah.
So, alright, tell me something. I don't know if we can see you later on though. I'll get the stuff for you, I'll come chat to talk. I don't know if I'll come chat to talk.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem? Alright, I'm going to forward, yeah?
Yeah.
We'll look for me later, man. Everything is going to be alright, alright?
Alright.
Alright, baby. So we talk later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
How up now?
So, why when you come here look at me like,
Yeah, cause like it text me.
I am going like, you're not glad to see me. Not even a hug.
No, listen. Me I tell you from earlier, say you have to understand, say. You see, text them or you text my phone and I try to tell me something if you pick you up and I'm something that it can't work out. You're 17, me not depend that. You have to wait till you're 18 or 19 or 20. I'm done tell you say your sister I'm really like her. Me never tell you that already.
So what you liking my sister have to do with me?
Listen. Delete my number out your phone.
Wow.
You understand? Because me here say you get in trouble today. Up at your school. You know who come tell me certain things. For me, like a charge.
And where you could charge it?
No worry about that. Because I don't want to go
Me
cause
a-
more problem upon problem.
Me I hope I know my big mouth sister.
No. Your sister. I want to do that.
Me just a try to make sure it's not she.
Me and she a friend because she, anyway, your female too loud and too vulgar. So me try to stay far from that. Me not depend that. So me I try to tell her is right now because me not like how your sister, because you know what your sister phone get take away?
No.
Me don't know if she have spot one little vibes or something about what go on. So me not really want this mash up the potential or anything what can happen between me and she. You understand? You hear me I say to you?
Me I hear you.
So what phone you use call me?
What?
Because a different number you use call me.
What phone me use call you?
Yes.
My phone me use call
Or
you.
if you use your phone you use call me.
When
Stop
me don't know
telling
my
lie.
phone me use.
You don't use a phone call me. So stop tell lie, boy. You use a phone call me.
Sir, don't raise your voice after me because I am not your child.
So you see, it's just that I can't deal with you. You just love load up your mouth and create a scene. And I can't
Me
take
and
that.
you a create a scene where you raise your voice. So look how they start talk good.
I was only talking strong.
Well,
not
me
loud.
only that talk strong too.
Alright, so I tell you, just make bygones be bygones and so on.
I'm not get rid of your number.
I can't say nothing more, I can't nothing more. I mean, I say just give me some space.
And if you black me, make a use, make a find a next number to call you.
When me forgot-
And if you black that number, make a find another one to call you. And if you black that the one that saw this cycle go on and on and on and on and on and on.
Alright, hear me I say. Do
Until
what you
my
want to.
heart desire.
Do what you want to.
That's exactly what I'm
don't
going
tell
to
you
do.
say, me not inner what you inner. Alright?
When me in
Have a wonderful day.
I'm going to definitely do what me have to do.
Abba. Anyway, big man, then they there.
Anyway, my business day or day. Awa.
Where the have to go?
How's that your business? How
Yes.
that concern you?
You see, anywhere you catch your egg, you go they go lay. Cause the 1 bedroom, they have a son now go all 4 away.
Little girl, you need to mind the business.
And you
Why-
need to
why
talk
you
to
up on the
people
road I
them
do?
man.
Me not talk. People man nice. Anyways, what you up on the road I do?
If we did have mama
By
to
this
backside, you'd
time-
have take me step up. Pa.
Maybe I let daddy too. Oh, ask my father too.
But
Oh.
you'd have still take him.
Anyways, we are up on the road by this time.
Me and me one big woman. Me go with me one.
Oh. Okay. Me a can't go about my business. How much if I cover yard me did I go? Where you go?
Me a go about my business.
Oh, go on about your business then no.
Any day, me tell up in my man and see I come me and near me mo.
You boy like you a big man.
Long me away from that girl. I can't see her come here. Once a girl come here, can take my thing, son. Joke thing out. See how long you go make me have to wait for him. I know. How this call me? Yes. Hello?
So my friend give you a one.
No, so me there do a easy back away for my woman. Now I go on.
You wait who?
My woman.
You say, hey, your woman.
How I go on?
Your woman. Me see your woman in a zone with man.
My
When
woman.
you say, yeah,
My woman Pinky.
yeah.
You sure my woman I see?
Of course.
I care my woman I see. Mine I see doubles man.
Say, me see the girl with man. I went tell her saying gone.
He saying gone to work, the nice supermarket.
Oh, supermarket in a one man bed. I in a town with man.
Alright, now see I heard. Wait till she come. I see I heard. Alright, thanks. Say here.
Come like some food. What?
Alright, later.
Mm-hmm.
My girl with man night town. Wait for me, Anash. wake up.
Hmm?
Wake up.
Mm-hmm. You say, come let me have to need it in my sleep. Why you worry me so far? Hmm?
Me don't know if you say this to you. See, but I can't do this no more. I don't mean I can't do this no more. I want one woman. And you not left a man, so you what me gonna do? I want you to just make we take a break, we take some time and just ease off. Like you see you gone and work today, you come back and sleep and you know we there we are doing thing. Me not really feel comfortable again, cause really and truly I say more on my own thing. Yeah?
Hold on there.
You can't feel no way no cause
Hold on there. Take a break. You know something I can't live, right?
babe, listen to me.
No. Get that in your head. Me I can't live. And what the reason why you want some space and you want me to take a break? You want me to take some break?
Own a woman.
Yeah, you want
And
your
you
own
say-
a woman, right? You find your own a woman yet?
Me have one girl out with me program. She give me a call today and things. So I kind of feel like me need to.
What?
No,
What? Me not hear good. What you say? Which dirty foot girl you find? We give you all the privilege now if you can't tell me, say. You find a girl where
No, you're
me I give her talk.
No, listen, a long time when I try to program her, but she called my phone today, so I feel like say me need to go link her properly and give her talk. So I go get back her phone. She lose her phone and sitting some more step in certain way. So if that opportunity me I get it, me I take it.
Liar tell.
Let me say lie me I tell.
Look for me. No, look for me.
Just understand the man.
A liar
Look
tell.
how long
You know other girl can't come for your way.
Listen, if you say your man have certain use, all you have to do, don't make him drink rum. Then you say when he drink rum, he don't use. Make him tap drink rum and smoke. And he will service her properly.
Final word, no girl can't come for your way. I'm done talk. And I ask you. I tell me, I tell you that.
I no matter I tell, just understand. Alright, just give me 2 months then. God, give me 2 months off.
2 months?
Just give me
What
2
kind of
months
2
off.
months me figure you?
Yeah, and then we know
No,
if we really
B,
get
talk
back
to me. What
certain-
kind of 2 months me figure you? Because the 2 months they don't come like I want. Two clip you want in your head in about 2 months,
That's
you know.
badness, man.
And what you do, man? I don't know badness, me. Yo.
That
me
me
say,
not like with it.
you want 2 clip in your head?
Which clip? It's me.
Yo.
It's me a woman bubble.
Let me tell you something.
A bubbles a clip. Yo, listen to me, I say, man. Relax, man.
Bubbles and clip.
Listen to me, I say, man. Just relax, man. And I'm bad take a certain way. Just do it for me now.
Listen, you know what?
What me know?
I see before this get worse, I can't take myself and go away. I see this, no, take you out.
Yeah,
Make you sneak up on me, so.
Where you come from?
What you mean by where I come from? No guy supermarket.
Supermarket.
Now work me tell us where I go.
Work in a man bed. Oh, so you can pack shelf in a man bed. And pack bag.
Hold on there. Where you say?
5 minutes ago, me get a call. Say you're a man in a town. You
Who
come
tell her
from
that?
a
Which,
man bed.
no, I wish liar somebody. I will tell them there's something.
Where you come from?
Me I come from work, B.
Work. Me say where you come from?
Work.
So I lie. This is somebody I tell me call me 5 minutes
I
ago.
lie them I tell pa me I to them bad mind for me a relationship.
You know say I go make me draw back for me gun here and I can't talk about me for put on gun and I talk about me for drop puppy company. Turn up this one.
And where you go? Babe! Babe! No, listen.
Leave the place, yeah.
Ah!
up with that.
Yeah, how that?
Tell me, man, why play bad, bro? Don't say I think me there, man. I'm borrowing an evening. How you go?
When I lend thing in the dog, you have your money. I will come round and come tell you about lend.
Boy. Check the pocket there. Man, that thing there, idea, you know. Can't work, 2 grand.
2 grand. Where you take man thing for?
So we not bridging you?
No, we'll have 3. 3 grand for 30
boy.
minutes.
Who tell us you 3 alone me have them pocket? Boy, a profit.
I hear what I go on now. I told me know you make me a give you, you know. Because normally I don't lend out my shop to fool, you know.
Say
So I have my phone a ring. A business, you know. So watch, you know.
So,
One in the head already. Because I don't trust people saying that. But I told me know you still, you see me?
yeah, man, 1 in the head.
30 minutes start now. For you have it, 30 minutes start. Hold it so.
What is so?
Do you do and forward back?
Alright, my dog.
I will get it.
Who give me it?
Mm.
4 man, street smart man, street wise man. Me don't know you, you don't know me till after
Alright.
30 minutes.
Alright, it's 30 minutes start, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Yo.
What you want to come
No,
on,
I have
man?
to look on you and test you. I know just saw you give me thing I'm already.
Do you do and
Money
forward
real
back?
and where
Because I
it's
told me
real.
hungry, make me all take them work you still
Alright,
thing.
no come on with that.
Yo!
Yo.
Bad man, go on the man, you have 29 minutes, you know.
Father.
Babes,
What's your problem?
me just got shot buy one ice cream.
What?
I want to apologize to you. But we go on earlier.
Boy, nothing of that for apologize, man.
B,
Tell
just
the truth,
listen
you
to
know.
B. You see, man, a man and my friend. We never go in our bed and put it to no extent so we have sex. Is that him a show me one paper and him a show me something funny and me a listen to him.
Listen.
As a friend.
Might make you have to listen to this.
Babes,
Babes what?
babes, you gone back and take up gun.
Then I must. What you expect?
Babes, you really gone back and take
Yo,
up
yo,
gun.
yo,
Them
me
a
no-
go
yo.
kill you.
Yo, me don't want to hear nothing from you, bad man. Me don't want to hear nothing, brother. The best thing I do, brother, just leave me place, brother.
Leave which place?
What you mean leave
And
which
me and you
place?
live here, so me nah leave nowhere. You have to go kill me because me nah move.
Brother, just leave me place,
Me nah
bad
move.
man.
Oh, you mean if you go around my room, and in room, me I go and me live here, so me fix up a place.
Fix
Me nah
up,
go
fix up or
nowhere.
no fix up?
Me nah go
Alright,
nowhere,
let
you
me
have to go kill me.
Come on in
Come
my
here.
room, come. Yo, don't touch me. Yo. Come like this girl and come like you don't know how we ma ramp with you. No want to come and ramp with me, no bad man. Sure.
You don't know me. You know me? No, you're gonna know me. You see, next time me see you with me man, I'll be a box you go get left, right, center. You hear me I tell you? You see there when I left from over my yard, over my man, me hear everything, you know. I'm a saw me a peep through the window. Pound. So me come to warn you. Left my man alone. Cause you see the next time, me go send 2 bad girls to come whip your ass. Cause me not go to jail for no little girl. You get what me I say? Who are you, man? How much money I take? How much money I take for a young girl? A TV me a chat. You see, next time, you come back on my yard, or if you even see him on the road, you're not going to like it. You get what me I say? Answer me, because me a big woman and you a little girl.
Yeah, me get what you say.
You get what me I say? Make sure you get what me I say. Your teeth them should have lick out too. My man didn't tell about me. Just get that in your head.
Yo, I want the 10 grand by look more dog, you see me? Yeah, you can put all 5 more upon it, so you can bring 15. But for 2 weeks, you tell me, say, you give me all, no, I'm not getting enough father. Alright, just make you reach me and make me reach you. Okay.
One done.
Where are you dealing?
General, you going?
There, man, everything
You
good.
know, me, man, level. It's just a little situation.
You know, check me and you like you don't want to hurt them, you don't want to hurt them again.
No, construction work, I'm going to know.
Construction.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
So give me a food now.
No, you what them say next month before I get the money, so proper money. Cause you know
So when you start?
already. You mean so me start? I start but last week, Sunday night, we had to some little, you know, call my deck and so forth. So we did some things, man. So things go on, man. But you what? That the money they kind of book out already. You don't know anything.
Well, if you're not having to talk to me about it, then can you know when you come check me money, me work off.
Alright, you what go on now. You see, I want to look at Cathy what me a program certain way. So more if you do for me is that she has show me a vibe, so you take with her phone. And think, me know see her house like nice street.
Are the same girl I talk?
Yeah, man. You know, so she want to go. You know.
But watch you know, if you like her for your client, make them know, say, so when me check them, then talk to me.
No, hear me, I say. No, check that one day. We have enough more we can check, but not check that one day. Cause me, remember
so a program.
Remember some we have, you owe me a favor.
Yeah, that's true.
So this is the favor right now. How long me I say, boy, I don't know what kind of, cause me can't pay no money. Me can't this, and me wonder how the favor would pay back. So that favor, yeah, just know that
more the deal.
I got me know say no, that's me forward.
Sorry about that, man.
Everything good, brother. You know, say I love you, say.
I know, say I sell me, don't sell in idea.
Eh?
Believe me, I tell you, cause one youth did come give me the money and fight, you know. Yeah. So,
give thanks, man.
Things still.
All right, now, this and now, I can make sure if I get in better.
Can give me a 5 bills still.
Here what we are going to do. So, I get the money from the construction place, then I give you money.
Alright.
You understand me? I say, I don't know, some is a man I'm a word in a brother.
Not even $100.
No, here what now. When I come up the road, I see one little shop and I buy 2 kiss come and ease up and, you know what I mean?
So you get back silver?
No, I buy some
me did have 250 chains, so I did make up on it still and buy one of them 550 bucks food.
No, I can't go on today. No. So, hold on. There was a 10 that only 4 times. Yeah, man.
So that sound like a 30?
No.
Alright. See, I know, man.
A 30 for 30 for true.
Yeah, make up on it.
Alright. So you what? Respect our manners now. We shall get it. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Just know that girl alone. That's all I say. See? And we good to go. See? Respect.
Alright.
Yeah.
Gone done left me. You could wait for me. And myself me I talk to. You see after they just gang me a while ago. What you did there? In a class I do my work.
The girl them gang me put on me uniform.
Stop take them man.
Now I can't take nobody man.
You they take Ashley man. You think me not hear about it? Me not about you already a bust something on the toilet, you know, and me hear them.
So you know say half your man me I take.
No worry your head. Me and your sister, but best believe say me hear everything we are going.
Listen, try to make sister hear about this, you know. You see, I like how she has said she want to move out of the community.
Move right now.
I don't want to move.
Me want to move. So between you and sister business, if she hear, but me not really talk.
Up in the mouth and tell her. And
Say
see the
bet.
box you're getting in your mouth.
You know, say, you're very unfair in your life. Imagine, you know, you left me. You left me up at school by myself. I walk up and down and look for you. And you know, sir, the school back full of graves. Suppose one day they take me away.
Me send around there, sir.
You don't have nothing about you. You don't even business about me. And you want me to say all secret for you?
Like me say.
What you can do for me?
Me say. Black, you try black me. Listen. Go to her. Me not stop you, me not say you can't go, Go to her. Go on to her. And see what go happen after.
So you go tell your sisters about this?
Don't worry about that. Don't left me and my
so
uniform.
So your bag look so?
Left me and my uniform. It's like you hear say me just come out and fight.
And clothes in your bag? Me know you're good at the dirty football yard, you know, you tell me about a fight make you left school.
Girl, you need to keep your mouth. Shut up, you chat too much. Come, make you come out.
You didn't want to carry me a while ago, me walk by myself.
You know, say me and you go have serious practice. Come go your yard.
What, back at me?
Even sister.
Good evening, sister.
Amanda wants to talk to you. You can go in.
You sure I'm going?
Yeah, I want to go in.
Alright, before I go in, check in uniform. Zip bust up and the bag, not one book. Not one book. In the top taking people them man, so them beat him. And he didn't plan to go no school. He did got money, but the man study him up so he come with clothes in the bag.
You little rat. What me tell you say? What me the one you tell you say?
Hey!
Alright, it's
Aye.
Okay.
Me just let go my conscience so I can sleep now. Good night.
Put down your bag and open your bag.
Why?
Put down your bag and open your bag. And do it fast too. Open it. I mean, want open it for you? See the phone drop there. You realize?
Oh, that's time I look for my phone and I can't find it.
You look for your phone and can't find it. So, the man not come for you.
Which man?
You not reach a man yet.
Which man?
You don't reach a man yet. When me a work hard for send you to school for. Remember, me not no pitney, And me take up uno as my child even though I'm my sister. And at this you pay me back with. You figure school go take your book. You think man and can turn nurse like me? More one to be prime minister one of them something there. You know Ghana school will be watch there. No book where you go to school go learn today. Uniform tear out, watch there. What list style them there?
You not fear deal with me so.
Me not like your style, girl. You're a bigger one and you're going like you're a smaller one. Show example. Who the boy? We are text your phone. You don't know. But are you ready for go and yard go? Hello. I know people know my business,
And I say I go through my phone.
Oh.
How you know say I talk to somebody I'm a therapist?
Okay. So attitude I go on now.
Me not
Attitude I go on now.
I am not giving you any attitude.
Oh, the boy. And one time me to ask you a question. I'm not ask you 2 times. Oh, the boy.
Hmm? I'm a boyfriend.
Amanda. You're just 16. You're not ready for boyfriend.
17.
Or whatever, 17. You're not ready for boyfriend. You understand? I want to know come better and for come out of this house here and this community here. You think me I go work every day for waste my money pound for go turn dirty girl for go in a go club go wind up on yourself? Eh? You think that me I spend my money pound for? Tell me I make you come out of my house. Tell me for that you know want and come out of my house, because guess what,
Yeah,
I
feel
now waste
lonely
no
up.
money for you. So make up your mind. Tell me what you want. Make up your mind.
You can't do my clothes.
When you talk to him and I say you talk to him.
Yes.
I don't have a strength for your decision. As a matter of fact, take up your bag and go on in. You see this? You not get it back. Inside. Hey! Oi! Come, take it up. I'll go carry it for you. I mean, you're crazy.
You good? You have a long to see you? You have a long to see me? Well, I gotta tell you, I'm here calling me, man. I'm so excited. So you like ice cream? Yeah, okay, come here, I say, yo. Yo! Good vibes to see you, man. So, alright, here what I'm do now. You know, so I'm a top dog in the street, you know that? So, simple thing, man. Come here, you want me to tell you something, get back your phone? No, I feel that.
You get back my phone?
Hey, me, so you must get your phone. You think me a joker?
Oh, thank you.
Hold on before me. You really mean what you say when we talk to you on the phone?
Yeah.
You mean it?
Yeah.
And check see everything I work on it. Because I don't know say screen crack
It
and
all dead.
battery dead on it. It must dead a long time, take it. But you are going still. I'm just so excited to know say you call me. Because I'm not lie. I don't give up on you, you know.
Oh.
I don't give up on you because I say you don't take me serious and me I call you and you know you not answer my call and right away. Because them always say to me say when somebody interested in a somebody, them answer text message right away. So people find time for who they want to find time for.
Yes.
You understand? How am to you?
No, so.
I like this feeling.
Oh.
You can feel like say you know you like you know want you know me I touch you and ease off and you know like germs.
No. I'm glad to get back my phone still. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Me appreciate it too. So you call me, I met you before. So me I wonder
Yeah, that's
if
just a phone call, but I really appreciate you get back my phone.
so we still get to go out.
What?
We can go out and have a little drink and talk and can eat ice cream and so we can carry go eat one more ice cream.
No, I don't want my ice cream this.
Yeah, so we have a nice little drink. What kind of ice cream? Dragon stout? Nice. So me I say we can have a real dragon and a stout, you know? No?
Me have some stuff to deal with, so me call you later, yeah?
Yeah, it's like alright, call me later.
Alright.
Call me, yeah?
Bye.
So we can get out. Come on, man. No, man, I like that feel like say, you know, want No?
Okay.
Alright. I'm just so excited. So we talk later. So I call her later and we can talk.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice to see you. See your sister them there home?
Yes, they are inside.
Alright.
I think them asleep right now.
Alright, just tell them hi for me. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright, later. Grand. 30 minutes. Oh, this is calm now. Puppy than one of the gun. She tell me say 30 minutes up already. 5, 10, 15, 20. Me even have 32 and 30 finger. 30 minutes up already. Yeah, I say now. I go on, bossy. Oh, me a forward, man. I just show me the daddy youth something, man, boss. You know, fear go on, so me a forward, you know, man. Alright, me a reach your two in a split seconds. Yo, me a forward, big man. Alright, father. You hurry me. They even know someone about me 3 grand. I get knocked when they pull up.
Boss man, hurry up my youth. What my shoes say?
Boy, you know, some wash you left in the sun while ago.
You know say come like a joke, you take me thing for you.
Which thing?
Man, just pass me stop. Cause I'm not laughing.
Joke, man, I don't know if you run joke, man.
Yo, I run them the joke the youth.
Me a pull my belly at me. Hungry, you know.
Yo, forward the youth.
You know, say me never did use the thing though. More about my money, you know.
Boss man, boss. Easy no bad man.
Easy what?
Me and your friend youth.
Me can't tell me belly if easy. Yo, park up my money, man. Send out my money, man, for me have a fling one in your gut.
So that's a friend thing.
Oh, you mean in my belly? Go on back my thing, man. Park up my thing, man. Come.
No, me not have him in the use it.
Use it. You can't get back this. So nice, man. I should have dashed your body, you know, boy.
Yo, nobody take it the way you go for.
Come, you not trust fat people, you know. What?
I make you get the money.
Yeah,
I make you get the money. Just believe me, I tell you.
Aye, sir. When was that kill me if you kill a boy? Yo, look at this, man. Look at this, man. See where you did that looking at my pocket when me I get 3 grand. Look up in this. Yo, one thing I go kill a boy. Let's see if you don't make me get back my money. Let me want. There's a dead man and I get back this till I get back your money. You hear me? I tell her give back my money. You hear me? I tell her.
Alright, my father.
No problem. I give 30 minutes.
Father, I make you get it, father.
Yo,
at 5 you again.
5?
5.
That sound good, man. What time?
It's 30 minutes, you say?
I give 3 minutes for this period of time. I say, you know, that boy. Run, that boy.
Good night. Hello. Good night.
Night, how?
So I can't be so strong. I was just stopping you to tell you that you're so beautiful.
Your parents are teaching you to talk to stranger.
You know, so I always see and admire though.
You come from see me.
Don't worry yourself, man. The power of attraction is here.
Hey, bird?
Power of attraction.
Anyways.
But I don't like how you move wild though. You need to just calm down yourself. Just stay calm. I don't like my woman them to jump up.
Me and your woman. If me a move wild and you want to tap me from move wild, you can tap your belly from move wild.
Just calm down yourself, man. And normal, no man must stand alone.
You don't stand alone. Look how much dead body there on you.
The number in this.
My number can't go in that local phone there. Come on then.
Yeah, deal.
When you take so long, bro.
That's alright, no, I'm stressed out, youth.
Brother, you take too long, brother, but mosquito there a beat you. But what can you stress out?
Well, I mean, I tell you, say, you know, so I'm virgin. I go rent when I told them youth. And give money for 3 grand. You know, so that's a 30 minutes. And I know, say, man take hour and a half with my tool, and the man care about my tool, come give me. The man put the tool right up on me and I tell me, say, yo, you want back in 3 grand.
So hold on there. I wish man that.
Why? I want a little brown idiot youth, you know. I tell you, say, man, I'll kick me to you, know.
Which brown youth you talk about? Can't not brown youth about the place.
One brown idiot youth, then call him Tibi. And he'll come like his mother or something.
And I'm mad, brother.
But me that dig up some information about him.
Listen to me how that man that work. See? I be a gun in my talk more from last month, you know. He just want to hold one gun in his hand.
So a gun cologne.
I'm not say a gun clone because I don't want him bush or years and something, bro. Me I tell you.
Right now, I'm not business about bush, you know, because no boy you do me nothing can't make it out, you know.
So what going on now? Wait,
Right
so,
now, I'm a virgin, I go collect something from in there on the road, that's all. When I'm a virgin, I did give a tool for go and lock off. Low what?
Low that brother, because you can't
I go collect my tool and page him right now. I'm not talk about the book page, you feel like me I laugh?
Brother, I'm not laughing at that, but me a virgin, bro. And, yo, all that again. Next thing too, easy with that. Do what you do still. Anything you say I do. Me just tell you, say just allow it alone, because somebody will go down. You know, say, same girl when me take your phone from you and carry girl. The girl that give me one vibe, brother. Like the girl no appreciate the fact, say, me get the phone and
So
give
you
her back.
really a trust woman?
I don't matter I trust, but me think say, you know, if a girl call you, saying, and you call me, you know, and they remember your number, you know, and you then call you, and them a create one vibe, say help. I mean help them in a situation. Brother, if you see a girl, yo.
Yo, girl, a trickster you, then we just use it for what them want. But you know, say you make me give back the phone there.
No, right now, but I feel like I'm sorry, but I say go.
But yeah, I'm not in a few woman problem. Case since I don't want to hear my problem with me have. So I don't want to hear about your woman problem.
Bro, I tell you
something. Can't trust woman.
Listen me I say. I am saying to you that basically that brother you shouldn't even do no business, bro. You shouldn't do no business with that man there. That's all me I say.
Well,
me not say nothing more.
Who can hear I go feel? So big up yourself, I go do what I have to do. Page me I go page him right now. I'm not talk about book leaf page.
Alright,
so,
do what you do.
Do what you do.
I tell you to bump on that.
I pray my Jenna.
Yes. Come like you come to bring back your money, do
Yeah, but I can't believe I really say you make it the badness gone and me and your friends.
Yeah, bad you not bring belly with badness, man. My belly empty, you know. How are this?
A 3.
You can't check, you can't count, you don't know money, no 5, I say.
Hold on, I have the other one in my back pocket.
How about that?
You know say enough ramp with me.
Eh?
Eh?
Really?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?